Welcome to Cars and Coffee. Today we're going to ask this car owner how many times he has used his GoPro and how many years did he ever have it. There we go.
Hey, good morning. My name is Regal. I own a couple of Celines. I always carry my GoPro on my cars because it's a fun thing to drive with. I have it for almost 8 years, and I haven't used it for a couple of weeks already because I haven't charged it, but it looks good on the car, and I change it to every Celine I have. I just put them on there for some fun. It records good and you can enjoy it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm the cameraman, and you should come to Cars and Coffee.